Hey everyone, well I'm in the feed pickup this afternoon trying to find out how this dang cows keep getting out, and we just go down the fence line and see if there's any gates open or something along that line. But I've hit my 1,000 subscriber mark, and some of y'all know what that means. Other y'all that are real new to the channel, 2 months ago I posted this video right up here, and it was of the Ford Expedition replacing the struts in it. Well, that video I announced I was going to be doing a subscriber giveaway, and it is a $50 gift card. I said Amazon, but I think I'm going to make it your choice. So we'll do an Amazon gift card giveaway. We'll see. Darn it, why did I keep on stuttering like that? What I need you guys to do in this video right up here, we'll go ahead and go in the comments, comment done. You need to be subscribed to the channel. Your subscriptions need to be public, where I can see that you're subscribed to my channel. And let's see, you need to comment done in the comment section of that video. If you don't comment done, then I can't pick you, because I won't have a way to choose you. So anyways, that's what we're gonna do on this video. So there's the cow that's out. I think there's another one up here somewhere. There's also a pretty good fire going back there. So, well, I don't know what that's going on about, but it's not at my house, so we'll see what's going on here in a little while. Been working on the El Camino, trying to get it ready. We're drilling water wells this week, so it's gonna be a little while before I get that video out. So hopefully you guys enjoy the content. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. For you, all of the new subscribers, I really appreciate you. We're gonna make this big. I'm sure wanting to go pretty big. So I'd like to give away cars. I'm giving away that pickup. We just got to hit our subscriber goal for it. That pickup, we're not going to give away the El Camino, but we will give away that 2003 GMC Sierra. It's also down there. Well, I'll put it right up here. It's right up here too. So let's go find where this cow's getting out, and we will see if we can get it put back up, and well, I'll upload this video and we'll see how you guys do. So thank you guys, I really appreciate you. We'll talk to you next time.